So I'm Dr. Mabe. I'm a general surgeon and a minimally invasive and bariatric surgeon here at Memorial, and I also do medical weight loss. So I went to medical school at Virginia Commonwealth University in Richmond, Virginia. My specialty is general surgery with a subspecialty of minimally invasive and robotic surgery, with bariatric surgery and medical weight loss as my subspecialty. So I chose to be a doctor really to help patients. I love the human body, fascinated by science, and just get a lot of great satisfaction from working and helping patients. I would want my patients to know that I truly do care about their outcomes. Bariatrics is a life-changing, lifelong process, and I just really enjoy helping them to make that journey. I love the area. I love the people here in Savannah, and this hospital has everything that you would want to offer for a patient care experience, but also kind of gives you that small town feel.